Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I am going to do a Nykaa haul. Recently on Nykaa it have like hot pink sale. That time I purchased some product that I wanted to show you and just wanted to give the review, just honest review. At the end I will give you some question answer about the Nykaa packaging, the delivery time, and Nykaa gives the expiry product or not. Yeah. If you wanted to know, then just stay tuned. This time I purchased the highest product just for the haul. Not just for the haul, I purchased the all product that I needed and I think I needed. So first of all I will show you the makeup product, then skincare product. Without further ado, let's see the product. This is the Makeup Revolution London. This is the buy one get one free. The both eyeshadow palette I got it like around 1000. Yeah, I will put the photo here, you can see the price and everything. Yeah, before that I didn't use the Revolution eyeshadow palette, but this time I just ordered it just because I want this pop-up shade. Yeah, in this palette you get some pop-up matte color, and from here you can get the some like smoky eyes look and some shimmery shade. I think it is a good deal, that's why I purchased it. I give the 7.5 out of 10. Then I also purchased the liquid highlighter, and yeah, this is from the Swiss Beauty. No, I don't remember the price of it, but I will put here the price. I will give the 7 out of 10 to this liquid highlighter. I am very not a good at like rating. You can see the highlighter. Yeah, this is the highlighter. Also I purchased the Lakme Absolute 3D Lash Volumizer Mascara. I use it. Yeah, you can see. Use this mascara. This is my first time to use this mascara. So yeah, most of product I didn't use before. So this is also my first time to use this product. Before that I used the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I think it is better than this. I give it the 8 out of 10 to this mascara. Yeah, this is give it a volume, but I like the more iconic curling mascara. I also purchased this Lakme Absolute Plum and Shine mascara. So clumsy. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, I also use that. Under that I also use one lipstick. First of all I use this shade, and on that I use this gloss lipstick. So yeah, this is the look. Right now the gloss lipstick are like so trendy, so I wanted to purchase it. I also give the 8 out of 10 to this gloss lipstick. 8.5. Okay, 8.5. I also wanted one glossy lipstick, but that was so expensive, so I purchased this. I think this is around the 300. Then I also purchased this instant age rewind eraser from the Maybelline. As you know, I am very stupid. I purchased like so much dark shade. 144 caramel. I don't know what I will do now. I use that, that's why I didn't return this product. So I will use it as a contouring. It is also so dark for the bronzer and contouring. Let me show you the shade. See, this is such a dark shade. If you wanted to repurchase your concealer or foundation, then you can definitely purchase it. But if you try the first time now, then don't do this kind of mistake that I did, because online आपको पता नहीं चलता like कौन सा शेड लूँ, कौन सा नहीं लूँ, और कौन सा like आपकी स्किन टोन पर जाएगा और कौन सा नहीं जाएगा. So see, this is so much darker than my skin tone. How I can use it? Yeah, by the way, the concealer is a nice. Yeah, it is such a nice. Yeah, this is the expensive concealer. 600 for this concealer, and this is not in my shade now.
Yeah, I purchased this caramel shade just because I saw one YouTube video on that girl said that caramel is like perfect for me. From that I thought like I also have the similar shade, so I purchased this caramel shade.
This product I wanted to give you the 9. Yeah, 9 out of 10. I really like this concealer. Then I purchased this eyeshadow blending brush just because I didn't have the blending brush. By the way, brushes are like so expensive nowadays. because this brush is around 400 का eyeshadow blending brush. I give you the 8.5 because I didn't use that much अभी तक, तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि कैसा होगा. Yeah, this is the white eyeliner that I am applied it here, and I think it is a nice liquid dip eyeliner 02 soft snow. And yeah, you can see on that I use little bit yellow eyeshadow. I think it is nice, but only one thing is that it is so much liquidy. I wanted to give you this white eyeliner 8 out of 10. Then I purchased this lip tint. Tint is basically more watery. You can also use it as a blush or anything. It is a more watery tint. So this is the lip tint, Dear Darling tint. I love tint, yeah, but you have to like so careful when you apply it now. And yeah, I love this tint, but
I don't like the taste of it. Not a taste, but a smell. Yeah, taste of it. It is little bit weird taste.
yeah, you can buy it. Yeah, this is the good tint. Why don't have the shade tag? Okay, I will put the shade name here. This is around the 300. I give the 8. So yeah, now I am going to show you the skincare product that I purchased from the Nykaa haul. First of all, I wanted to show you this most famous Nykaa Natural Skin Potion for the dull and dry skin facial oil. I didn't use it before. Yeah, I use my sister's facial oil. After that, I feel like I have to purchase one. That's why I purchased this. For the facial oil, it has so many options. You can purchase it according to your skin type. I purchased this facial oil for the dull and dry skin. Yeah, just because I have little bit of dry skin or little bit of dull skin also. That's why I purchased this facial oil. This facial oil is the glass bottle. Whenever you use na, then you have to just careful with it. You just have to use the 2 or 3 drops, not more than that. I give the 9 or like 9.5. This Lakme Natural Aloe Vera Gel, and yeah, I love it. When I apply it now, it will give me like so much freshness. I give you the 100 out of 100 to this. It also have the aqua fragrance. So yeah, I love the aqua fragrance. That's why I also love this. And also have the flowery smell, like floral smell. Wait. It is like super. Yeah, it is a transparent. For summer, I 100% recommend you for the summer. Yeah, it is such a, and it also have the good fragrance. Yeah, I love it. I give the 10 out of 10. Like I also purchased this body lotion. This Wanderlust Sea Salt body lotion. This body lotion is also so nice. The fragrance is like good. Yeah, अच्छी है fragrance. I will need this body lotion in winter, so I just purchased it right now. And yeah, it is color is like such a cool. Yeah, good. You can purchase this also. I will give the 9 or 9.5 to this product. Main reason to purchase this is like this pump. Because I'm so lazy to open the bottle and just apply it. That's why I feel like this is made for me, this kind of pump. So yeah, easy है तो easy use करो ना.
तो फिर यार ऐसा क्यों? मैं कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ, मुझे पता है.
I also purchased this Lakme Love Lip Cherry Lip Care. I buy this. The smell of this lip balm na, bubble gum chewing gum. It is exactly that smell. I will give the 8.5. Then I also purchased this
Mario Badescu
skincare spray. The smell of this is like so nice. It is the mixer of the rose water, aloe vera and the herbs, and it is like so must. The fragrance is so nice. We'll give the 9.5 to this product. This is also the first time to purchase this and I like it. Yeah, whenever you are going outside then you can use it for the like freshness. With this I get these 2 things. Yeah, free. Cleansing gel, this vitamin C serum, yeah, serum, yeah, this vitamin C serum. I got a free with this. And yeah, I give the 9.5 out of 10. It gives you such a freshness. Also, yeah, this Himalayas under eye cream that I purchased for my dark circles. 50% reduction of the dark circles in a 4 weeks. I don't know, I never used it before, so this is also my first time to use this. If it reduces my 50% dark circles, then I will recommend you to everyone. If I don't know how I give this product the rate, just because I didn't use it, I just used once, and how I can give rate to this product, I think 8.5 or 9. This is from the Himalaya, that's why I purchased it, because I use the Himalaya face wash like daily, and it is such a suitable for my skin. Last product, yeah, Lakme 9 to 5 natural aloe vera cleansing vibe. I didn't have the cleansing vibe, that's why I purchased it, and it is around 100 or something. Yeah, this is the last product. I didn't use it, so I will give the 9 out of 10 to this product. So yeah, that was the last product. Now I'm going to show you the free product that I got with that. Nykaa Skin, I got this tea and aloe vera sleeping mask. This is the gift. Yeah, this is a sleeping mask. I got the Nykaa pouch, Nykaa makeup pouch with all of this, with the Janhvi Kapoor signature. This bag. So yeah, there is a pink. I don't like pink that much, but yeah, I like pink. This is a nice quality. I'm very smart buyer, you know. No, I don't want to, but I want to. Yeah.
So you can get this pouch if you buy over the 5,000 rupees. When I saw everything, then my bill is around 4,800. Then I was like, oh, only 200 is remaining. So now let me buy something. Then I buy this aloe vera gel, and I love it. Yeah. And I also apply some coupon codes. Then I also get a 50 rupees off. I accept purchase 5,000 rupees, but I don't want to say this.
Now I'm going to give some answer about the Nykaa. Like, I know one of the most asked question is like, is on that Nykaa give you like a expiry product? No, it is just totally wrong. I personally checked the every product, and none of them it's like expiry date, not even the near the expiry date. So yeah, it is a wrong thing that Nykaa gives the expiry product. No, Nykaa don't give the expiry product from my experience. Or if by chance you get expiry product, then you can basically just return it. So it is not a big deal. Second point is delivery is like so fast. Not so fast, but when you place the order now, you get the delivery maximum in 3 to 4 days. Third is the packaging. Safely I got the every product, and none of any product are damaged. So packaging was the nice. Fourth question, like how was my experience to buy from the Nykaa? Personally, this is not the first time I buy product from the Nykaa. My experience is such a good from the Nykaa. So overall, I wanted to say one thing, that you can 100% buy the makeup product from the Nykaa. It is such a genuine site, so you can purchase it. It also have the certificate of every brand, so you can trust it. Every product is not a like first copy, it is the original. So yeah, you can buy it from the Nykaa. I give the Nykaa 4.7 out of 5. So yeah, that was my experience from the Nykaa, and yeah, it is a pretty good. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video. If you like, then click on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Toodles. की पसंद निरमा washing powder Nirma.
Water tank is full. Please turn off the water.